Good morning, students. Let us start today class. Today we are going to see exercise 2.8, 8th question. See, Kumar writes a letter to four of his friends. He asks each one of them to copy the letter and mail to four different persons with the instructions that they continue the process similarly. Assuming that the process is unaltered and it is cost rupees 2 to mail one letter. Find the amount spent on postage when eighth set of letter is mailed. Okay. Actually, what it is given question means Kumar is writing a letter and he is sending the letter to four of his friends. Okay. Then he asked to each one of them copy the letter and mail to four different persons. Okay. So Kumar is writing four of his friends. Okay, and then each person they want to send the letter to four persons. So like that it is going on. Question is asked, assuming that the process is unallotted means and it is cost rupees 2 to mail one letter the cost will be rupees 2 means find the amount of spent on the postage when eighth set of letters is mailed, how much cost they are asking. Okay, so see solution according to given condition. I will write this. Okay, uh, I will write the solution. You see what is that? Given that by information. Okay, the number of what is given, the number of mails delivered. Okay, the number of mails delivered are, okay, delivered are first is sending four persons. These four persons they want to send, and these two persons they want to send to different four persons. So like that it will go on. Okay, so first four, next four into four, next four into four into four, like that it will go on. That is, we can write it as this. We can write it as 4, 16, then 16, 6 are 64, up to etc. to eighth set of letters. Eighth set of letters. Okay. Here it is given. What does that means? Actually, each mail cost is okay, yeah, each mail cost is equal to rupees 2. One per one letter you are sending, you want to spend the amount rupees 2 rupee want to spend means, therefore total cost is, okay, therefore we want to find the total cost is, first four letters you should multiply with 2. 4 into 2 comma 16 into 2 comma 64 into 2. So the process will go on up to eighth set of letters. Okay, eighth set of letters. So up to this process will go on eighth set of letters. So this total cost only we want to find for that. Therefore, see first, therefore this we can choose let Sn. Okay, sum of the series let Sn is equal to 4 2s are 8 plus 16 4 2s are 32 plus 128 plus up to etc. to eighth set of letters. Okay, eighth set of letters. So you should multiply and write. Now here this is called, what is that? Its form and geometry series. Yes, this its form and, here its form and geometric series. Okay, because you see ratios will be equal. Therefore, here first term A is equal to 8. Then common ratio R is equal to T2 by T1, 32 by 8, 4. Okay. So ratios came equal. Therefore use here n is equal to, what does that means? 8. Totally 8 set of letters want to send. So n is equal to 8. Therefore use here r is greater than 1. Use Sn is equal to a into r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. This formula. Now S 8. So instead of n 8. So a value will be 8. Okay, 8 of r value is 4. 4 power 8 minus 1 whole divided by r is 4. 4 minus 1. Okay, 4 minus 1 we will receive 3. Now next step. See this, 8 of 4 power 8 means 65,536 minus 1 divided by 3. Okay, that you should simplify 8 into, okay, 8 into 65,535 whole divided by 3. Okay, whole divided by 3. Now this 3 table, this 65,535 cancel means 8 into, so this we should cancel, we will receive 21,845. Okay, 21,845. Now this you should multiply with the 8 table means we will receive as the answer is 1,74,760. Therefore answer we will receive rupees 1,74,000. Okay, 1,74,760. So up to 8 set of letters is sending to the mail. We want to spend the, he want to spend the amount how much? Rupees 1,74,760. Okay, that's all. See next 10th question. If Sn of Sns is given. Okay, what does that means? X plus y plus x square plus xy plus y square plus, then third term is x cube plus x squared y plus xy square plus y cube plus up to etc. to n terms. So here it is given Sn up to n terms you should add means, then we want to prove that Sn you should multiply with the x minus y. So x minus y of Sn means we want to prove the RHS side. What is that? X squared of x power n minus 1 divided by x minus 1 in between minus of y squared of y power n minus 1 divided by y minus 1. This we want to prove. Okay, for that C solution it is easy. First, actually what we want to prove that you should write first. To prove that x minus y of Sn you are multiplying with x minus y, then we want to prove x squared of x power n minus 1 divided by x minus 1 minus of y squared of y power n minus 1 divided by y minus 1. This we want to prove. Okay, for that first, so given you should take, what is this given? Given Sn term. Sn is equal to first x plus y plus x square plus xy plus y square plus x cube plus x squared y plus xy square plus y cube plus up to etc. to n terms. Okay, this is given. Here we want to multiply both sides, multiply by both sides, multiply by x minus y, because Sn they multiplied with the x minus y. So right hand side also using Sn given only we can receive the answer, this answer right hand side. Okay, so LHS side and RHS side you use to multiply both the side x minus y term. So multiply means left hand side x minus y of Sn is equal to, each term you should multiply with the x minus y. So x minus y of x plus y, okay, plus second term x minus y of, okay, x squared. So by slightly you should write, space is not sufficient, so that you see first x minus y of Sn is equal to x minus y into x plus y, again plus x minus y into second term x squared plus xy plus y squared. So each term multiply with x minus y. Then third term x minus y of x cube plus x squared y plus xy squared plus y cube. Okay, plus up to n terms you should multiply. Okay, so each term I should multiply it with the x minus y. Now LHS side is there, x minus y of Sn. So RHS side alone you simplify and you will receive the answer, this answer. Okay, now you check it. Here x minus y into x plus y. What is the formula of a minus b into a plus b, or else a plus b into a minus b means a squared minus b squared. Okay, this we can write it as a squared minus b squared. Want to use formula, this formula. Next, this also one of the formula. What is the formula of is this? A cube minus b cube. So x cube minus y cube. Okay, plus. So this you learned. These two formulas you learned, but you didn't learn this formula. Okay, so easily you will understand what formula next want to come. What formula want to come? Cube started, next 4 only want to come. Yes. Next what is that? X power 4 minus y power 4. Okay, plus up to n terms. Up to n terms. Understand? So first x square minus y square, next x cube minus y cube, next x power 4 minus y power 4, up to etc. to n terms. Okay, now it's came to 2 terms. Now what want to do? You see, is split it and write. Okay, first x square, next x cube term, next x power 4 term, up to n terms. Okay, up to n terms. Then what is common in between? All the one minus is common. Minus you take outside, remaining y square plus y cube plus y power 4 plus 2 n terms. Okay, single term you can split it and write. Okay, double terms. Okay, now these both of them are geometric. Here both of them are geometric series. Okay, or else you check it and see. Okay, it is surely geometric series only, because ratios we will get equally. Ratios we will get equally. Okay, therefore here first one is here a is equal to x squared, r is equal to t2 by t1. So what you will get? X cube divided by x squared. This you should cancel. R is equal to x. Okay, r you will get it as a x. Yes. So next this you can take it as means a is equal to y squared, r is equal to t2 by t1. So y cube divided by y squared, we will get r is equal to y. So use Sn formula. Sn is equal to a into r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Okay, can use this formula here. So use this formula. So after you are using this formula, we will get it as the answer is what you will get. So instead of a, x is there. So sorry, instead of a, x squared. So x squared of r value x. So x power n is n only. So x power n minus 1 divided by x minus 1. So you will get this answer. Yes. Next y squared you substitute means we will get this answer, y value. Now you substitute first one. You should substitute x squared of x power n minus 1 divided by x minus 1 minus. Okay, next y want to substitute. So a value is y. So y of y power n minus 1 divided by y minus 1. R value is here y. So y minus 1. So what we want to prove? RHS, we want to prove this one only. Therefore we prove. Yes. Therefore x minus y of left hand side already what we did, x minus y of Sn is equal to x squared. Right hand side we received as this answer. Okay, so we want to prove this one only. Therefore hence proved. See next one, exercise 2.8 over. Next exercise we are going to learn. For that, before you want to learn this series, what does that mean? Special series. What is mean by special series? Now two series you learned. What is that? Arithmetic series and geometry series. Here you are going to learn special series. What is mean by special series? You see, there are some series whose sum can be expressed by explicit formula. Such a series are called special series. Will you understand the definition? Nothing there in the definition. What does that means? While seeing the question directly, we can apply the formula. Okay, no need to find difference are equal or ratios are equal. It is arithmetic progression or else geometric progression. No need to check. Okay, so directly we can substitute the formula. It is called special series. Okay, what is that? It is called special series. So here we are going to study some common special series. Like, what is that? You see, first one is sum of first n terms. Sum of first n terms, n natural number. Okay, sum of first n terms or else n natural numbers. Sum of first n natural numbers. You should add, what is that formula? Okay, for see, sum of first n natural numbers. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus natural number started to 1. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to etc. plus n. Okay, up to n natural number you should add. Means what is the formula? Means n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, here we are going to use 5 formulas. Special series we will use 5 formulas. Okay, that 5 formulas also want to memorize. It is easy only. So sum of first n natural numbers, that is called 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to etc. n. Okay, this you should add. Means formula directly n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, easily up to 50, up to 1000, up to 10,000, up to 30,000, 1 lakh, or however also natural number easily we can add whatever number, 50 numbers, 100 numbers, 1000 numbers. How many numbers also we can add easily with the help of this formula, n into n plus 1 by 2. N is last one. Okay, so this next second one is sum of first n odd natural numbers. Sum of first n odd natural numbers. Only odd natural numbers alone we want to choose. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus up to etc. plus n. Okay, n odd natural numbers you should add. Means formula is n squared. Formula is, what is that? N squared. Okay, natural numbers alone you are adding n terms, means formula is n squared. Next third formula, sum of squares of, now we are taking square, sum of squares of first n natural number. First n natural numbers. Sum of squares of first n natural numbers. What does that means? 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared plus up to etc. plus n squared. Suppose natural number it is given, square means, okay, so square natural numbers up to n terms is add. What is the formula? Means n into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 all divided by 6. Okay, this is the formula. N into n plus 1, 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Okay, this is the formula. Sum of squares of first n natural number. Next, sum of cube of. Suppose here it is given cube, means sum of cubes of first n natural number. N natural numbers. Sum of cubes of first n natural number. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus up to etc. plus n cube. Okay, so natural number cube we are adding, means what is the formula? N into n plus 1 divided by 2 to the whole square. Okay, n into n plus 1 divided by 2 to the whole square. Okay, this for first sum of first n natural number means n into n plus 1 by 2. N odd natural numbers it is given, means 1 n squared. Okay, squares of first n natural number means n into n plus 1 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Cube natural number means n into n plus 1 by 2 to the whole square. Okay, one more formula in your book, it is not given this. What does that means? This sum of first n natural number, or else here it is given 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus up to etc plus L, last term. So natural number last number is given means, okay, for example 55, 65, okay, 105, 103, okay, like that. Last term is given means 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus up to etc, it is last. Here to n terms we are adding, okay. So up to n terms add means n squared is the formula, but here last term is given means, what is the formula means? L plus 1 by 2 to the whole square. So in your book this fifth formula is not there, okay. So old book it is there, but new book it is not there, but anyway we can learn this formula, okay. 1 plus 3 plus 5 last term, odd number last term is given means the sum of the series, what is the formula? L plus 1 by 2 the divided by 2 to the whole square, okay. So see, so using this 5 formulas, okay, we are going to solve exercise problems, okay. See exercise 2.9 first question. Find the sum of the following series, okay. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to etc plus 60, okay. Here we can use before exercise, okay. Before, what is that? Check it whether difference is equal or else ratios are equal. Check, while checking it is difference is equal, yes, and last term is given, then n want to find. After finding n, then Sn formula use n by 2 a plus L, we will receive the answer, yes. So instead of using that formula, easily we can use now. It is called special series. Why? Because it is a natural number. Start with 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to 60. So sum of first n natural numbers, we know the formula, okay. That formula we want to use. So see solution. Here 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to etc plus 60, okay. We know that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to etc plus n into n plus 1 by 2, okay. N natural numbers should be added, formula is n into n plus 1 by 2, okay. So this series up to 60 terms are there, so that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to etc plus n, okay, 60 is equal to n value is what is the 60. So 60 of 60 plus 1 divided by 2, okay. Now 60 into 60 plus 1, 61 divided by 2. 2 into 60 cancel means, okay, 62 cancel means 30. 30 into 61. So you should multiply means 1830 you will receive, okay. So given series up to 60 terms you should add means answer is 1830, okay. That's all. Next see second point, 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus up to etc plus 96, okay. So up to this you should 96 you should add means what is the answer question asked. So see here we know only formula started to natural number 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n, only we know the formula, okay. But here started with the 3 6 9. So while seeing itself we know this is multiplications of 3 table, yes, 3 6 9. So it is multiplications of 3 table. So given series first we want to take it as 3, we want to take it as outside. So 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus up to etc plus 96 is equal to, we want to take it as 3 outside means 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9 plus up to etc plus 3 32 3s are 96, 32 3s are 96, okay. Now is it is possible 3 we can write it as outside as it is. Next step you see here bracket inside we can apply the formula, yes. Here 3 of, okay, what is the formula? 32 of 32 plus 1 divided by 2. So bracket inside you can use the formula since 1 plus 2 plus up to etc plus n equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. So here n is equal to 32, okay. Here n is equal to 32, Yes, bracket we can use the apply the formula because start with 1, next 2, 3 natural number. Now 3 of, okay, 32 into 33 divided by 2. Now 2 table is it is possible you can cancel 3 of 3 into, okay, how many times is possible? 16 2s are 32. So 3 into 16 into 33. Okay, this 3 number we should multiply means we will receive the answer 1584. So therefore 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus up to 96 should be added. Answer is 1584. Okay, that's all. See next third point. Sum of the series 51 plus 52 plus 53 plus up to etc plus 92. Okay, this series should be added. What is the answer? Okay, can apply it as a arithmetic series. Okay, because difference is equal, last term is given, so n is equal to n want to find. After finding n, Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l. That formula use also we will receive the answer. So one more method, what does that mean? Special series, it is called special series. So continuously is there. After 51 continuously is there. 51 plus 52 plus 53 like that continuously will be there. But before how many terms are missing? Up to 50 terms are missing. In that natural number up to 50 terms are missing. So use like that first. Given series you should change and write. What is that? 51 plus 52 plus 53 plus up to etc plus 92. We can change it as, okay, first you should start with 1. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to etc plus 92. So 1 you should start to up to 92 terms you should add. Then minus of, you should subtract with the how many terms are missing, that terms you should subtract. How many terms are missing? 1 to 50 terms are missing. Then means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to etc plus 50. Okay, 50 terms should be subtract. We will get exact answer. Okay, what answer? 51 plus 52 plus up to 92 you should be added. What is the answer you will receive, or the same answer you will receive? Understand what is that? So this series you can change and write like that. First 1 to 92 up to all the natural number 1 to 92 I will add. Then missing term I will subtract, means given question what it is asked, that answer I will receive. Okay, so can write like that. Now example also like that, sums are there. First they have splitted like that. Okay, after that we can apply the formula. Yes, use 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to etc plus n is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Formula is applicable. Okay, use this formula. Here first one is n is equal to 92 and n is equal to second one is 50. Okay, now you should apply this. What is that? 92 of 92 plus 1 divided by 2 minus of 50 of 50 plus 1 divided by 2. Now 92 into 93 divided by 2 minus 50 into 51 by 2. Now 2 table cancel this. 4 2s are 8, 6 2s are 46. Here 25. So we will get 46 into 93. We should multiply, means we will get 4278 minus, okay, 25 into 51 you should multiply, means we will get 1275. 1275. This two answer you should subtract, we will get 3003. Therefore you see 51 to 92 natural numbers you should add, means we will receive the answer is 3003. Okay, so given series is not started with 1, means not started with 1, you want to make it as first start with 1, then how many terms are missing, that terms you should be subtract. After apply the formula we will receive the answer. Okay, that's all. See next seventh point. Okay, remaining points we will see later. Seventh point you see 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus up to etc plus 71. So we know that one more formula is there. Okay, sum of odd n natural numbers it is given, means formula is n square. Okay, up to 25 terms. So for example in this plus is not given, to 75 terms, 71 terms, sorry, up to 71 terms should be added. What is the answer is asked means question n square. So n square means 71 square. Answer we will receive. Directly we will receive the answer. Okay, n squared is the formula. But here it is given plus etc. plus 71. Yes, here question is given 1 plus 5 plus 3 plus up to etc. plus 71. So fifth formula, one more formula I have explained. Okay, in your book it is not there, but we can apply this formula. What is that solution? You see 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus up to etc. plus 71. So we know that you should write what does that means. Sum of all natural numbers, sum of all natural numbers when last term is given, when last term is given. So or else L, last term L, and last term is given. What is the formula means? 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus up to etc. plus L is equal to L plus 1 by 2 to the whole square. Okay, plus L it is given means here. Therefore 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus up to etc. plus 71 is equal to 71 plus 1 by 2 to the whole square. Okay, so 71 plus 1, 72 divided by 2 to the whole square. So cancel means we will get 36 square. Okay, so 36 square means 36 into 36. So you should multiply 36 into 36. We will receive the answer 1296. Okay, 1296. Okay, it is easy. Can apply this formula L plus 1 by 2 the whole square. Okay, this formula we can apply. So but in your book example sum it is given example 2.55. Okay, third point, example 2.55 third point it is given one more method. Okay, can apply that method also, we will receive at the same answer. Instead of that example we can follow this method also, we will receive at the same answer only. Okay, that's all.